Hello everybody, my dear people. Today I start to share my photo tips with you, and first topic will be about our lips. I want to show you one exercise which for less than 1 minute make your lips plumber and brighter. It's very useful when you make a selfie, when you go for photo shooting. Okay, let's start. For 30 seconds, during 30 seconds, you should hold your lips. In vacuum state, you should hide them inside and try to hold really compressed state, like this. I show you. And let's start. And don't forget to make photo before to compare result. I'll do this too. Okay, let's start. Compress state. For 10 seconds, try to relax your lips like this. Relax, relax. And you will feel blood flow. Feel this. And you can repeat it during the day, not just only for photo. It's very health practice for your lips. And let's make photo after. Okay. Thank you for your attention, and I a little shiny and I wish you good day and follow me for more photo tips. I hope you like it. My dear people. Bye.